Hi children! If we keep any food substance into our mouth, what will we do? We will chew it with the help of our teeth and we will swallow it. But at that time, when we are feeling with toothache, no teacher, don't say like that. We are unable to tolerate the toothache. Is it your answer? Yes, children. We are unable to tolerate the tooth pain. Children, why the toothache occurs? Do you know? Because of the tooth decay. Children, is the tooth is the softest structure? No. The tooth is the hardest structure in our body. And the outer layer of the tooth is called as enamel. It is also the hardest material in our body made up of with calcium substances. If you bury the tooth for a long time in the earth also, the tooth will not decay. Children, but naturally the tooth is decaying in our mouth. How it is possible? To know that how the tooth decay occurs naturally, we will do an activity. To do this activity, we will require some marble pieces. Because of marble is a hard structure and made up of calcium substances like the teeth. Along with this, we require dilute hydrochloric acid and a test tube. First, take the test tube and put some marble pieces in it and add some dilute hydrochloric acid to it. Children, now observe what is happening in the test tube. The hydrochloric acid is reacting with the marble. If you carefully observe this one, you will find some bubbles. Are you observing? After a while, see children, what is going here? The acid is destroying the marble. Do you find it? Children, what you find? The marble is destroying by the hydrochloric acid. Is it? Yes. Like in this way, the teeth in our mouth also getting destroyed by the action of acid. Children, I think that you will get a doubt here. That is how the acid forms in our mouth, how it attacks the teeth. Children, when we eat some food substances, some food materials, some food substances will struck in between our teeth and some bacteria grows on them and feed on the material and the bacteria produce some lactic acid. This acid reacts with the enamel and it causes the decay of the tooth. Children, we are very much interested to take sugary substances like chocolates, cake, cool drinks, ice creams, etc. Is it? Yes, I know that. Children, do you know these sugary substances give more chance to grow the microorganisms on your teeth? So, try to avoid these sugary substances. To take care of our teeth, we will follow some tips. You should do the brush twice a day. Rinse your mouth after eating anything. The mouth should be cleaned especially before going to sleep. Failure to do so is like soaking your teeth in acid overnight, which leads to the tooth decay. So, do the brush twice a day and rinse your mouth after eating anything and protect yourself from the tooth decay and get the healthy teeth with a beautiful smile. So, children, practice this one and take care of your teeth.